To replace a glass pane, you will need a spackling knife, pliers, retractable utility knife, finishing nails, and a small hammer. Use a scrap piece of cardboard to protect the glass and have silicone caulk available. Place the door panel on a work surface with the glass framing strips facing upward. If the glass panel is broken, tape the seams to minimize risk of injury. Begin by removing the grills, starting with the long one, using a spackling knife to pry them off. Set them aside once removed. Use pliers to extract any remaining nails from the window frame and grills. Proceed to the glass framing strips, observing where they are fastened. Start with a long piece, inserting the spackling knife at the center and gently prying it away, gradually working toward the sides. Continue this process until the strip bows sufficiently to release. Repeat this step with all additional glass framing strips. Remove any leftover finishing nails from the door, but leave the nails in the strips for reinstallation. After all framing strips are removed, turn the door panel over and use a retractable utility knife to cut away the silicone around the edge. The ease of removal will depend on temperature and the age of the door. Several passes may be necessary. Test removal by pushing on the glass at the corner. If it does not move, continue cutting until it loosens. Carefully push out the glass on all four sides. Remove the wooden door from the work surface. Dispose of the broken glass and prepare the replacement pane. With the wooden door panel back to the work surface, apply a fresh bead of silicone caulk around the frame if most silicone remained on the old glass. Fit the new glass pane into the door. Position the glass framing strips in their original locations, aligning the nails with the existing holes. Begin with the long piece, removing the outermost nails for accurate alignment. Secure it with new finishing nails, ensuring they are driven horizontally. Repeat this process for the remaining strips. Remove the old nails near the corners and install new ones. Replace any original nails left on the frame with new ones as needed. Once all glass framing strips are reinstalled, arrange the window grills, starting with the short pieces and leaving the long grill for last. Fasten them through the original holes with nails driven from the sides, angled toward the glass framing strips but not towards the glass pane itself. Congrats! You have successfully replaced the glass pane.